Warthog Park, South Africa. Rutting season here in the bush, and one of our favorite pigs, Tiny, is chasing after Penny, who's part of the group of Benny, Henny, Lenny, and Penny. And he's making that train-like noise in an effort to mate with her. She's moaning a little and he's making that train noise. Just all part of nature. Today's April 29th, 2021. We're living in the bush, South Africa now, Warthog Park, for the past 3.5 months. There's another pig in the background that's watching, but Tiny's the one making all the noise. Oh, not so good. There she goes, runs off a little.